Yo, welcome back to another treat. Okay, all right. Been a minute, boys. But we're like 4 days since I haven't gone live. I've been out of town from I think Thursday. From Thursday, I've been out of town, so didn't go live. But I did trade Thursday, Friday, and then yesterday. Got destroyed by the market yesterday. Just completely was wrong. I'll go over the trade on Thursday and Friday right now. Let's see. This was Thursday, right? No, this was Thursday's trade here. So Thursday's trade was a 4% trade. It gained 4.5% on Thursday. So we can basically see the price took out the all-time highs, created a price action down, gave us breaking structure and everything. So let me see if I can find the 1 minute time frame. Oh shit. But yeah, you can see right here, price swept all-time highs, came down, filled in. There's a gap up here. We filled in the gap, came down, broke the structure within the 1 minute time frame, and I looked for entries. I went on micros on this one. I think I did around 15, 15 micros, which is a little too much. I was risking, I believe, I think right under 2% is what I was risking. So I risked a little too much on this trade, so I need to de-risk. Probably looking at more of like 8 or 9 contracts would be 1%. So that's what I'm going to be looking at. And then this is the 1 minute time frame. As you can see, we took out liquidity, came down, ended up breaking structure on the 1 minute time frame. And then we came up, retraced into this 3 minute fair value gap as well as this 3 minute inverse. Got the reaction, and we began a broke structure on the 1 minute time frame, which you can't see, but I entered off the break of structure in the 1 minute time frame, and then we just ended up dumping to a 1 to 2, and then I got stopped out for a break even. But that was that right there. And then yesterday's trade, took 2 trades, literally got destroyed. I'm looking for shorts yesterday. As you can tell, that did not happen. I literally got destroyed yesterday. Yeah. Let me see if I can find the 1 minute time frame. 5 minute, 3 minute. Okay, well, I'll try to explain this, but we originally we had I think we had news drop yesterday. You had any news? No, no news yesterday. So we had this big candle to the upside. Well, again, we were bought out. We were so bought out. So I was looking for price to come back and retrace into 50% level or equilibrium. So I ended up looking for a sweep of some type of high and then a reaction down, and which we got. We got a sweep of this relative high right here, which was in the OTE range. And then within the OTE range, we had an imbalance that we entered. So that kind of gave me more conviction to look to enter in this trade. We got the sweep and we got the reaction. After the reaction, there wasn't really like a retrace. I just entered off the breakup structure and the closure below the fair value gap, and it ended up getting destroyed clearly. But I had a lot of conviction in this trade. That was the first trade. Second trade, I mindlessly just entered. I kind of FOMO'd into this trade, so that's my fault. I could have saved a percent there, but learning lesson. It's all good. Ended up journaling both trades. I see where I'm wrong. I also entered before my macro session or before the ideal time frame to enter into a trade. So I broke that rule of mine, and I broke the rule of over risking on the second trade. I should be risking 0.5% on the second trade, so I don't lose 2%. I'll only be down 1.5%. If I lost, I broke that rule, and I ended up breaking my don't enter or have to enter the macro session rule. But those are the 2 trades. I think we're currently still up. I think 3%. Let me do the math. It's like something like 3%. Let me do the math. What is it? 4.4 minus 2.23 plus 1.5. Yeah, we're up about 3.5%. About 3% right now. I'll show you losses as well. I actually ended up passing on Thursday. I actually ended up passing my account, or not the account, but the challenge we're trying to do. Why is it not available? That's stupid. Bruh. Yeah, I actually ended up passing the 50K challenge thing I'm trying to do, where I'm trying to follow all of Top Step's rules and to see if I passed. I ended up passing on Thursday, but then Monday came around and just destroyed me. Um, I took this dumbass trade. I accidentally entered long onto this trade. I was originally supposed to enter short, so it cost me $100. But if I didn't enter that, I probably would have passed. I mean, I would have passed. I was like only $100 short because of this trade, but I would have passed on Thursday. I believe, though, I did break one rule, which was you can't make over 50% of the profit target. So the profit target on the 50K is like 3,000. So you can't make more than 1,500 per day. So I ended up breaking that one rule. But nevertheless, I did pass, which is good. But then I ended up selling yesterday because I thought I was him. But it's okay. We're still up. We're still up. We have 1,600 right now in profit, which is about 3.2, 3.3%. But just to go over to our charts, ES real quick. So ES again, like I said, I said in my notebook, try to short here, try to get 50% of this range here. It didn't happen. Now this is the 50% mark right here. So what I'm looking for is possibly just a continuation or a reversal to the downside. We see this consolidation in this area. If we try to use the quarterly theory, we do see a price during Q1 is just consolidating, and then maybe in Q2 we're gonna get like a manipulation taking out these highs or possibly these highs, and then it can a reversal down to equilibrium is what I'm looking for. Again, we also have all these 1 hour fair value gaps here that you have to keep in mind that price can just easily just continue higher and it can go against us. So I have to keep both biases in mind. I did mark out this low here, just in case the price does come down, takes out this low, and then we see a continuation to the upside. That could be a possible thing. Um, that's ES right there. I ended up marking the range is low and the range is high. These two lines right here represent that. ID, that's what I'm looking for. Looking for price to take out a high. Um, See a manipulation in Q2, and then a drop down into either this gap, or take out equilibrium. Potentially even come into the order block and end up taking out this low. I don't know if that's gonna happen, but always be ready. On NQ, we actually ended up taking. Well, we didn't take. We just came back up to all-time highs, and we tapped that level. And after tapping a level, we saw a bearish candle form. Again, we also have these three bullish 1 hour fair value gaps. And this line right here marks out the equilibrium of this entire price range right here. This is the high, this is the low of the price range. So again, what I'm looking for is price to hopefully we end up just, I don't know, I don't think we sweep this high. We could just see price come into like an imbalance or pre-array, and then we see reaction to the downside. That's what I'm looking for possibly. Or we could just see price easily come down here and sweep this low and then shoot up. But that's what I'm looking for. My main bias would be bearish, take shorts, but I'm always ready to take longs just in case. I have my long confluences marked out too, and then whenever if shorts do end up playing out, I do know my shorts confluences. So with that being said, we just gotta wait another 13 minutes till macro session opens, and then we'll see what price does. How does it manipulate, or if it does, it gives a continuation. All right. So we can see right here, price ended up sweeping, swept out that high. Currently swept out that high too. Or sweeping this high, that high. That there. Like to see price close above this high, and then maybe closing above this high, next candle forms, and we see a fall down. NQ looks like it's still behind. Um, let's see, news wise, we got retail core sales that came out hour before pre-market, industrial production, and then really it's just some speaking and some low impact news. Wednesday is a bank holiday. Which bank holiday it is? Juneteenth. Oh, okay. Juneteenth is a bank holiday. Probably won't be trading then Wednesday. Unemployment claims trading will be trading Thursday, and then we'll be trading Friday. And then next week, Monday, no clue what's going on over here. Consumer confidence, we'll have to wait for that to drop. Nothing Wednesday, nothing. Or we have Tuesday, we have GDP and unemployment claims. Friday, we got core price index, consumer sentiment. So the next couple weeks are gonna be pretty chill. And then we got July rolling around. Hopefully we can close out the month profitable. Even if we close out the month like a percent profitable, all good. We got 10 minutes. What time is this? It's 8:30 candle. 8:30 candle. Again, what I would like to see is price close above this high, and then we see a move to the downside after closing above it. And it looks like it's just moving down. Came up to fill this gap here. what it looks like. I ended up filling this 15-minute fair value gap here, and looks like we're getting a push down. Yes, we still have 3 minutes till this 15-minute candle closes. On the 5-minute, we're still looking pretty bullish. On the time frame, looking bullish. We do have this a 30-minute S&T if it ends up forming, or it could be 15-minute, whatever you want to do. But it would be this high right here. This candle's high, and this opening candle's high, and it would be this candle's high, the 8:30 candle, and then the 9:30 candle. So an hourly S&T if it ends up forming. Okay, both indexes are going separate ways right now so far. Let me write down my notes. Fair session. When market opened, both indexes are going in opposite directions. Ready for both shorts and longs if market presents a opportunity. What else? What else? Um, looks to be like looks to me that there could be a possible 30-minute bearish S&T forming during market open as well as a high time frame bearish S&T. So the high time frame S&T that I'm talking about is the 14, this candle right here, and then the 8:30 candle right here, and then this candle here, and then the 8:30 candle here. Right? That's the S&T I'm talking about. Okay, so price ended up closing above this high, which I like to see. Again, we do have the supply zone right here in this area. Right? We have the supply zone here. We have these gaps. Order block zone right here. Now what I like to see is price come down. We end up, hopefully, we can inverse this gap here. I would like to see inverse of this gap. That's what I would like to see, is inverse of this gap. If not, that's cool. Got 4 minutes till macro opens. Damn, that Starbucks is good. Trying to make cold brew. Oh, it's made out of nitrogen? Shit, I didn't even know it was made out of nitrogen. That's sick. They're pretty sick, dude. Okay, we got prices coming down. There we go. Got 3 minutes till macro opens. Price on NQ is continuing to come down. Again, like I said, price did tap into that 15-minute imbalance right here. And we're seeing it bounce off that zone. Again, we do have this low that we can easily see price come down, sweep this, and then shoot up because we are also in this 1 hour imbalance, bullish imbalance. And again, the overall trend is up. Got 2 minutes. Bro, we're so overbought right now, man. So overbought. I've seen another move like this. So we can actually have some type of targets. Looks like our price is it is somewhat respecting this gap so far. Let's see how it continues to hold. Let's see if it continues to hold this level. Again, I want to see a break of this gap and inverse this gap right here. NQ looks like it's still pushing down after tapping into this 15-minute gap. Okay, there we go. ES looks like it's moving down now a little bit. We got a minute till macro session opens up. We still looks like we still have this bearish SMT here forming. Come on, ES. Okay, the macro just opened up. Let's see what we do. Does price manipulate? We could easily just see price come down, take this high, and then see a continuation up to the upside, going towards all-time highs. Because that all-time highs could also be a liquidity target. Okay, looks like we're pushing up now. Okay, price is pushing out of this zone here. Go see how price closes on this 5-minute time frame, 5-minute candle, and looks like it's pushing out. Okay. Wow, NQ just dropped. Holy man. Again, generated sell side liquidity here. We took the sell side liquidity while filling this 15-minute gap here. And after taking the sell side liquidity, we can see we got a drop into price. Yes, filling this 1 minute imbalance here. We're seeing price holding this gap here. Again, I want to see a break of this fair value gap here to show me that we could see potential to come down. All right, let's see if we can get a nice bearish close like this, or a doji candle to the downside. S&T. Okay, looks like S&T is gonna hold. Okay, we got this, and then we got this right there. Okay. Whoops. Then we also have that high time frame S&T. Let me just write down my notes. Since morning macro has opened, it created the 30-minute bearish S&T to the downside. Now I am waiting for price to show me some sort of displacement to the downside to validate my bearish confluences. Okay, looks like we're still holding this gap here. Are we into Q theory yet? Okay, we are. Let's see if we can get the continuation to the downside. This could be the manipulation here, or we could just be hunting out all-time highs here, waiting to seek all-time highs, and then we see the manipulation to the downside. Or we just don't see anything. We just see prices keep rallying up. Let's see. No unicorns. It looks like we got unicorn setups. You can say this guy right here, could you? This order block right here. And then we have this gap lining up with it. Possibly. What candle is this guy right here? This is the 2130 candle. 2130. Okay, that's all that there. The 1, 4. I would love to see NQ just come down, take this high, or take this low. Let's see if that happens. Yes, looks like it's just going to keep pushing up, in my opinion. If we end up breaking this imbalance here, very likely we're going to push up. Nothing else to hold it down other than this high and this high that we could see get swept and pushed down, creating a volume gap here. Okay. Okay, we have these equal lows right here that got swept on the 1 minute time frame. Whoops. Cancel. Wrong one. Okay, we have these equal lows here. Volume imbalance. And we also have these inefficiencies here. Looks like price is respecting this level here. Again, we also have this inverse candle, inverse gap, just one inverse gap, and then we have this fair value gap that got respected by this move the upside. Okay, let's see how price moves. Another 12 minutes in this macro session. Okay, price has ended up coming back into this, came into this 1 minute imbalance here. Okay, it's moving to the downside right now. Let's see. Okay. Let's see if we hold this. Hold this SMT. Oh, very nice. Price looks very choppy right now. On ES at least. NQ, it's still like it's a little choppy, but it's more fluid on the lower time frame, like the 1 minute time frame. You can see it is pushing down more. And ES, it's just more choppy. Again, I want to see price break this fair value gap to validate my bearish bias. Okay, so let's see what happens at this gap here. Do we respect it, or we just melt through it? Okay, so this was just smart money going up to get more orders. Came in, filled this here. So that goes within our bearish bias. Let's see how the candle closes. Looks like we're respecting that level. Okay, I want to see price. If I want to keep my bearish sentiment, I need to see price close below this level here, and then eventually take out, or not even just take out, just melt through this low, because this is the only low that's holding us back, or only high resistance low or liquidity zone that is holding us back from getting into equilibrium, other than just these imbalances on the higher time frame. Okay, looks like price is respecting that level right there. So far, ES looks like it's still respecting this imbalance here on the 5 minute, right? Yeah, 5 minute imbalance. We have 9 minutes till macro closes. No trade opportunities just yet. Oh shit. Get a couple of viewers right now. That's sick. What it do, people? Ask me if you guys have any questions, alright? Okay, and decorating this imbalance here, we have this inverse. Price did not tap into that. Okay, so this 1 minute imbalance we tapped into. Let's see how this holds. Alright, I gotta be smart here. Just gotta wait for price to do his thing. Let price play out. If there is a trade setup, it's probably gonna be on ES. Just because ES took out liquidity. But it's not clean. It's not clean enough to take an entry at all. We do have the S&T take out the liquidity, come in this order zone, order block zone. We just keep bouncing in between these gaps. We don't have like a clear movement to the downside or the upside. Same with NQ. Now we're just jumps from gap to gap. Okay. Late macro session price is just jumping from gap to gap. There is no clear price movement. So very unlikely I end up taking a yeah, so we're respecting that zone right here. As you can see, we end up respecting that zone. Okay, we inverse this 1 minute right here. Coming back into it and getting a good reaction. Time-based theory, let's see. Q1, we got the consolidation, manipulation to the downside. I mean, this move to the this move here could be the manipulation. The move to the downside could be very much to be the manipulation. And then we see price come up, targeting all-time highs. Is what we could see. But I need price action to be more clear. Yes, we did take out these equal lows, came into this 3 minute gap as well as the inverse. I want to see price break this gap and then eventually end up breaking this high to validate longs, or just to even look for longs. Too much consolidation. We got 4 minutes till macro closes. Whoops. fill this 1 minute gap here. Damn, it's starting to get cold. The one 'Hold on a second. 30 minutes. Eight, 18, 18. What is this? The 2. Is it 22 or 2? 2. Hmm. Looks like we do. I mean, I don't know. Let's this right here and this. I mean, this could be the bullish S&T high time frame. So we could invalidate the okay. Just gonna delete that just for now. I don't want to get too confused. Nothing clear yet. Still bouncing in between gaps. Okay. Macro has closed. Okay, Anki looks like it's pushing up. Never mind, we're still respecting that level. Damn, bro, make the move. Make your move already, dog. Oh, what time is it? Almost 7:10. Very boring. Oh. Alright, let's see if we can break this gap here. I want to see price break this gap. No, right as I say it, it just drops. Right as I freaking say it, it just drops. God damn it. Please don't consolidate, please. No consolidation, please. Okay, wow, this is 3 minute close. Okay, 3 minute candle closed within the 1 minute gap. The 5 minute candle still needs to close. We have 2 minutes. Yes, this is just still there. It's not even moving. Still going gap to gap. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Oh, what's going on over here? Uh-oh. We're holding this level? Okay, looks like we're gonna hold this level here. Yes. Is it also pushing down? Okay, yes, looks like we're holding. Still holding that level right there. I need more clean price action, please. Yeah, no action today, right? No trades. Pretty sad, pretty sad. Damn, bro, come on. Okay, I guess we're moving out. We're moving up. No, we're not. We're just, yeah, doing the same shit. Consolidating in the same fucking zones. Yeah, no, I don't think there's no trades in morning session. Maybe lunch or PM session. There's probably some trades. Right now, there's nothing. Doesn't look like there's nothing. Maybe we could see price just come up into this zone and then take out this high and then possibly come down, or we just keep the continuation to the upside after taking this high. We could see that. Again, if I want to see longs, I need to see price break this gap there. The little 3 minute gap here. Oh, very nice. Very nice. Respecting that 3 minute gap. Okay, we took out this high of this consolidation range. We still have this low. What if we end up just taking a short here? Let's see. Stops right here. 1 to 2. Yeah, that'll be a 1 to 2, yeah. Where's the volume, man? Where's the volume? Yeah. Doesn't look like there's nothing today. 15 minute. What's that? Okay, we have this 5 minute right here. See how this 5 minute gap holds. One got left. Wow, respecting this 3 minute gap very nicely. We are respecting that level. Oh wow. Hmm. Okay. Looks like we disrespected that. Holding this level. We are back into this 1 minute inverse. And it looks like we're going to melt through the inverse as well. Let's see, is it just to grab more orders or does actual move down? Let's see what we got. Let's see. Okay, well on the 1 minute time frame we rated this inverse gap. Fuck out of here. 1 minute time frame we rated this inverse gap. 5 minute we rated the gap here. Very nice. Okay, it looks like we're getting our breakup structure. We had this internal. We had this turtle soup right here. Sweep of these highs right there. Also another internal sweep of liquidity, or turtle soup, whatever you want to call it. Okay, let's see how price holds up here. I want to see how price holds here. Let me write down my notes. After macro close, price has finally made a move out of the imbalances that it was consolidating. Oh wow, we're holding it, no way. You have this 3 minute inverse here. 5-minute inverse right there. 3-minute inverse. Within the 5-minute inverse, we have this 1-minute. Oops, shit. We have the 1-minute gap within the 5-minute inverse. So this is a 5-minute inverse, 1-minute gap, and then we have another inverse here. Let's see if they all hold. I would like to see them get very nice. EU is making ES, not EU. Dumbass thinks he's still trading 4x. Never mind, I'm not getting the push down anymore. Looks like we're going higher. Yay, more consolidation. We could easily just see price come up just to fill out, just fill equilibrium here. Okay, we could see prices fill equilibrium or target OTE and then see a movement to the upside is what we can also see. So we got to keep that in mind. But on ES, looks like price is just pushing down. I want to see price on the 5-minute candle close below this low. I want to see price close below that low right there. NQ looks like it's still lagging behind. 20 seconds. So we also are coming back into this 1 hour imbalance. So again, the OTE entry and then a push up. Okay, perfect. We got a close below this 5-minute low here. Okay. Where is this? Where could they potentially be going long? They could target right here. This is where they could be going long. That zone there. Schmalt money traders. Okay, so we're pushed out of the equilibrium. Now we're pushing into the optimal OTE zone right here. About 7:30 right now. NQ not moving. Okay, ES is in the 1-minute time frame respecting this gap here. Delete that guy. just like I said. Let's see. Yeah, to me it looks like there's nothing today. It's just gonna be consolidation. That's what I think. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What happened here? Volume imbalance. I got you. This was also the unicorn I was thinking. I don't know if it's a unicorn though. I don't think it's a unicorn setup. We got this order block right here, push above it, push below it. We see this, we got this gap here. Could just long from there. I don't know, I don't think it's a unicorn though. It's not a clear unicorn. This thing got invalidated there. Alright, we had an internal turtle soup right here instead of a breakup structure. Internal turtle soup. You see we just invalidated both of these gaps here. Retracing back into this high zone. So we get a breakup structure to the upside. NQ also moving up now. We're holding price right here. The 952 candle. Let's count here. Let's see a 5-minute break structure this high. Or even just a break of this fair value gap. Will give me more conviction. Yeah, there's nothing. There's nothing to nothing. Damn, what the hell? Gee, I'm gonna start saying nothing all the time. There's nothing. Nothing. What a candle move. Come down, fill, push up. Yeah. Never mind. This is mad annoying right now. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of this. I know what that is. Oh shit. Got rid of ES. There we go. Yeah, crypto is freaking getting destroyed right now recently. Looks like we're just ranging. We got 20 minutes to see if something happens. Otherwise, I'm hopping off because lunch is gonna come around. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna be anything. You get like 15 minutes. Okay, do we have something? Okay, we took out this low here. Alright, finally we have some type of freaking displacement. God damn, it took so long. Holy shit. Finally, price is showing us something. Let's see how NQ reacts on this low. Yeah, there's nothing. Nothing today for like 10 minutes. Price action just looks horrible. I'm off the charts, man. Think there's nothing to do. No setups. Unless ES actually sub shows us something. 10 minutes. Yeah, I don't like anything today. Yeah, I'm gonna end the stream here. Alright, boys. See y'all later.